holidays can be a difficult and intense time. Too much sugar, too much family, and the craziness and hustle and bustle of the holiday season. Not to mention the overconsumption and the overindulgence that generally happens. I created Bija, a 5-day online retreat to really keep myself centered and balanced, to really be using the time between the holidays and the new year to get inspiration, nourish myself, and really use the time to percolate all that I want to grow in the next year. This retreat includes recipes, podcasts, journaling, yoga practices, and some community time together on Zoom to talk about the things that we want to plant and grow and nourish in our life for the next year ahead. I invite you to join me for Bija.